Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I, Miss Sanobar Noman, again welcome all of you to lecture number 3 of English language for class 2. Before starting our today's lecture, let's take a preview of the last lectures. So, what we have learned in lecture number 1, do you remember? It's parts of speech. Then in lecture number 2, we have learned about nouns in it two kinds, common and proper nouns. Come on students, let's do some revision. Let's recall the parts of speech together. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, verb. Number 4, adverb. Number 5, adjective. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And number 8, interjection. Come on, let's do one more time. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. All right, let's recall about common and proper nouns. Do you remember what common noun is? It is the general name given to anything. Let's see some examples. Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is an ice cream. And now, who is he? He's a boy. This is a pencil, a building, and this is a book. Now, who tells me about proper nouns? Proper nouns are special names given to anything. Come on, let's see some examples. You all get more clear about it. Now tell me, who is he? Yes, he is a boy. And the name given to the boy is Ahmed. Next is a girl. And the special name given to a girl is Sarah. What is this? This is a school. And the name of the school is Guards Public School. This is an English book. And this is a Cornetto ice cream. These all are proper nouns. Let's move to our today's lecture. So in today's lecture, we will learn about compound noun and collective noun. First, we will see what compound noun is. Do you all learn it in your previous class? Let's recall it again. Compound noun or compound words. It can be defined as compound words are two words that joins together to make a new word. Actually, compound words can be made when we joined two different words to make a new one. Here we will see some examples. Come on students, tell me what is blinking on your screen? Is it a picture of a rain? Yes. And if we add coat with rain, what new word can be made? Yes, it's a raincoat. Okay, now see the next picture. This is the picture of a tooth and we are adding tooth with brush. So it's make toothbrush. Let's see some more examples. Number 1, pan plus cake is equals to pancake. And here is the picture of a pancake. Number 2, ear plus ring is equals to earrings. Can you see the picture of a earring? All right. Number 3, pop plus corn is equals to popcorn. Now, here is the picture of a popcorn. Number 4, snow plus man is equals to snowman. Number 5, rain plus bow is equals to rainbow. Wow, what a lovely picture of a rainbow. And last, number 6, jelly plus fish is equals to jellyfish. I hope you all understand and learned about compound nouns. Forwarding to our next topic, collective nouns. Can anybody tell me what is a collective noun? Collective noun can be defined as it is the name used for a group of things. Now, group of what things? Group can be a person or it can be anything. let's see some examples of collective nouns or the group of things. What can you see on your screens? Can anybody tell me? Is it a bread? And what group name can be given to bread? As you can see in this picture, it is not a single bread. So, it can be said as a loaf of bread. And the loaf is a collective noun. Next we are seeing lots of fruits. What name can be given when we see fruits in a group? Yes, it's a basket of fruit, and basket is a collective noun. Number 3, we can see some soldiers, and the collection of all soldiers can be named as an army. Means we can say as an army of soldiers. Number 4 are bananas. As it is not a single banana, it can be said as a comb of banana. Moving to number 5, and number 5 is rain. Now, what collective name can be given to rain? Yes, it's a shower of rain. Number 6 are trees. See, is it a single tree here? No, it's not a single tree. So, the collective name given to trees are a forest of trees. Right? Next are shoes. Can you think of any group name of shoes? Yes, it can say as a pair of shoes. And the last one is a group of birds. And the collective name given to birds are flock. So it can say as a flock of birds. It's time for a review. So students, what we have discussed today? We discussed about compound nouns and collective nouns. And we have also done revision of lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. I hope you all understand about these very clearly. Homework list. See what you all have to do in your copies. Question number 1. Think of a proper noun of each common noun. See, I have given you some common nouns and you have to write the special names, means proper nouns of these common words. The first one has done for you. Question number 2. Write the compound words of the following. It is as same as you have seen in this lecture. Question number 3. Write the collective noun of the following. You can also do book page number 3 and 21, 22 in your English workbook. Hoping from all of you to complete your homework on time and also learn it thoroughly. Thanks for watching video. Bye-bye.